Good evening. My name is Dato Rashad Sanin Ishak Eslao, and I'm here with Jerenisha Amil Solano Pusain, one of the municipal link of Cataman, Guindulungan. Thank you for joining us for this informal community survey. We're gathering insight on the recent tree planting initiative in Barangay Cataman, Guindulungan. May I ask you a few questions?
Sure, I'd be happy to share.
To begin, could you describe the environmental concern that prompted this initiative?
Certainly, the community has been increasingly worried about the deforestation and the lack of green spaces in Barangay Cataman, Guindulungan. We've noticed more frequent flooding during rainy seasons and hotter temperatures, which many of us believe that due to the loss of trees and vegetations.
What steps were taken to address these concerns?
I think a tree planting activity was organized by the Civil Service Commission in celebration to their 125th years of services. They partnered with the local government unit of Guindulungan and some representative from the different line agencies throughout BARM region. And also, the environmental advocates also participated in the said activity. So, the event was held in Barangay Cataman and nearby vacant lots, which is prone to the erosion. Then, many of the volunteers planted over 300 native tree seedlings, such as nara, mahogany, and bamboo, because we believe that through this, we can restore the ecosystem and prevent soil erosions.
Was your family or household consulted during the planning phase of the initiative?
We were formally consulted, but we were informed through community meetings and social media announcement. The barangay encouraged residents to participate and share their suggestions. Some of the residents of Barangay Cataman were able to voice their support during the barangay assembly.
Has your family participated in the similar community initiative in the past?
Yes. We have. Last year, we joined the Brigada Eskwela program where we helped clean and repaint classrooms in the local elementary school. Because we strongly believe that supporting community efforts that promote environmental sustainability and education.
That's all. Thank you so much for your time and valuable insight. Your participation helped us understand how community-led initiative can make a meaningful impact. Thank you.